To put on the mask, disconnect one or both of the headgear clips by gripping and twisting them away from the frame. Wisp is designed to be used with and without headgear clips. If you are not using clips, pull the tabs through the slot in the mask frame. Pull the mask over your head, placing the mask cushion in position over your nose. Press the headgear clips into place to reattach or thread the tabs through the slots in the frame. If needed, you can make adjustments while sitting up. Adjust the bottom straps evenly. The mask should rest lightly on your nose. Connect the side strap tab and adjust the side straps only if necessary. Check the headgear to make sure that the straps are parallel and flat across the back of the head. Connect the Wisp tubing and elbow swivel to the front of the mask. Now connect it to the flexible tubing that came with your device. Wisp also allows you to position the tube over your head. Simply slide the Wisp tubing through the headgear crown loop before attaching the flexible tubing.